Hello guys, so today I'm going to bring you the workflows that I've made over the past 48 hours. This is basically a set of n8n workflows that I started from scratch, installing Open UI and on Llama model. So this is all on a really small mini PC with 16 gigs of RAM, and then just running these. But I haven't had much success just because I was having a lot of virtual RAM issues trying to having the same workflow for all of my agents. So first of all, I started off with one of the LinkedIn content generators. So basically I give it a topic on a form, and then it generates content using Llama, and it cleans the response and display the LinkedIn draft as a form response. That was a very simple one that I've created. So the second one was a web view that I wanted to create. So using a webhook, I've created a request to show that on a dashboard. Then I created a content factory, which I did not have much success. I have an issue here where it needs to be connected to PostgreSDB and then read and write files from there to show it on a front end. Finally, I worked on a little bit complicated project where you submit a form on your requirements, and it gets through a PM agent, BA agent, a design agent, a technical agent, and finally a development plan agent, where you have a file generated at the end of the day to start development. This is sort of a long-term project, but I've got to write here using some of the open source AI tools and some of the open source GitHub tutorials. So this has been what's been brewing, and I was really busy of getting this one getting to execute. As you can see, there were few errors and few succeeds, but mostly it was like the timeout errors that I've been getting because it has been running for so long. So I have to optimize some of my scripts, JSON scripts over here in some of these nodes, and I'll bring a very useful session later in terms of what I want to show and discuss each and every node on how I preserve this workflow to get the most advantage and how to show that on a front end. For an example, if I show you my dashboard, this is all local, by the way. It's not working. Let me spin that up and then cover that on another tutorial or another video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you so much.